Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Birkenstock sandals or slides. So I've got this on the Zappos site, and here is the model Arizona Big Buckle in Fuchsia Tulip. I've got them in size 40, which is UK 7 and 26 centimeters. Here's this conversion, and they are in the narrow fit. It says narrow fit and regular fit. Two widths for perfect fit. So I've got this at Zappos, and they came quite fast. Let's open it. So here they are. It looks like this. They are pink tulips. They are made from leather, and they have big buckles that when they come not put together, they looks like this. And other one looks like this. The same. I will put those buckles together to show you how it looks. But before I do it, I also see some information. So here it says information to customers. I gave 2 of them. Good to know. Okay, so see you later. I will put them together. Here I adjusted the buckles to make them try on, and they looks like this. So they have nice look. Here on the side they have Birkenstock's logo. Then here we have straps, and they have bigger buckles, the original buckles looks like this. See, at least in this one. I also have different Birkenstocks, but in this ones buckle are this kind, and in these ones they have buckles of different shape. They are bigger, and they have metal one, but not sure though, because some people mentioned that they are from plastic, and I'm not really sure, because when you do this it sounds like plastic. So these ones are in color fuchsia, and they looks like this. Inside we have also fuchsia insole, but with some, it looks like traditional insole, but it's colored on pink of fuchsia, which is nice. So yeah, they are this kind, and so was white in those, and it says Birk on some of them. Here we have some stains from glue. Here is cork. Where is the other one? Oh, here. So other one looks the same. I got them in size 40, which is 26 centimeters, but I tried them on and they seem to run small. Too smaller than the originals Birkenstocks, so I will have to exchange them for the bigger size. Here is the tag. Looks like this. It says we are from leather inside, and this part too. The only thing I don't like in them is, as you can see, a little bit that's parts of shreds, little bit. That's that leather. See here, pieces of leather, shreds like in small particles, and then they are all over the place, like here. And here. And they also leave like white spots when you adjust the thing, when it's like white spots. They might be hard to clean, or they might get dirty fast. This model. But maybe not. We will see. So yeah. This is how they look. These are my Birkenstock big buckles. But they are a little small, so I will return them and get size bigger, because this is size 40. And I think this one is a little tight, right one, so I mean slightly tight. So I will exchange them. Okay. That's summer sandals. Hope you like such videos. Thumbs up and subscribe. Give me one like if you want, and thumbs up for future videos, as I want to more videos in future. See you in the next one. Bye.